So hello everyone, welcome to this video on doubly linked list. So today we will explore what a doubly linked list is, how it differs from singly linked list and its primary operation. So the main problem or why we need doubly linked list, all the operation requires a forward and a backward move for easy accessing the data. So for that reason we are moving to doubly linked list. Okay, so a doubly linked list, it is a data structure where each node contains three parts, that is the data part, a pointer to the next node and a pointer to the previous node. So singly linked list has two parts, a node and a pointer to the next node, but doubly linked list has three parts, the data part, a pointer to the next node and a pointer to the previous node. So this bidirectional linking allows traversal in both direction, that is both forward and also backward direction. This provides more flexibility when compared to singly linked list. So the list starts with the head node and its end with a tail node, both of which points to null on their respective ends. Okay, so the link means each link of a linked list can store a data called an element. So the data or the value which is present on a node, we call it as a data or an element. So in the next pointer will contain the link of the next node. The previous field will contain the address of the previous node. So a linked list contain a connection link to the first link, we call it as a first node, and the last link we call it as last node, and it is very similar to singly linked list. The last node's next pointer will be null. Last node's next pointer will be null and first node's previous pointer will be null. So when previous pointer is null means it indicates that it is a first node of a doubly linked list. When the next pointer is null means it's clearly understand that it is the last node of a doubly linked list. So here are the basic operation that can be done on a doubly linked list. So insertion, deletion. So in insertion we can insert on three positions, at the beginning, at the end and also in the middle. So at the beginning means we have to create a node and we have to set the next pointer to the current head and its previous pointer to null. So we have to update the previous pointer to the new node and then update the head to the new node. So at the end means we have to create a new node and we have to set the next pointer as a null and the previous pointer to the current tail. So in middle means we have to traverse to the desired position and we have to adjust the pointer of the adjacent nodes and we have to insert the new node. And similarly deletion can be done at beginning, at end and also in the middle. When we delete an element at a beginning means we have to update the head to the next node and we have to set the new node's head as a previous pointer to null. At the end means we have to update the tail to the previous node and set the new tail's next pointer to null. And in the middle means we have to traverse to the node to be deleted and we have to adjust the pointers of both previous node and also the after next node of the bypass the deleted node. Traversal. So in traverse operation we can move either in a forward manner or in a backward manner. That is, forward traversal means we have to start from the head and follow the next pointer until it reaches the null. If we are doing a backward traversal, we have to start from the tail and we have to follow the previous pointer until it reaches the null. So here is an example of creating a doubly linked list. So for that we have to use a structure concept. There will be a data, we have to create a two pointers. One is the next pointer which denotes the pointer to the next node in a doubly linked list, and in a previous means it denotes the pointer to the previous node in a doubly linked list. So this is how the doubly linked list will looks like. So we will look into the detailed operation of insertion, deletion and traversal in the upcoming classes. So doubly linked list offers a great flexibility. So here what can be the advantages of using doubly linked list means. So doubly linked list offers a greater flexibility in traversal and also for the manipulation operation when compared to singly linked list. These are particularly used in application which requires bidirectional navigation. So thank you for watching, and I hope this video helps you to understand the basics of doubly linked list. So thank you.